Cassidy.
And Pingers.
The name is Butch.
It's not Pingers.
You're Cassidy. And you're...
Pingers. Pingers.
It's Butch, not...
Pingers.
Weren't you listening to a word that I said?
Hey, calm down.
Pingers.
It's Butch.
Cassidy. Pingers.
It's Butch.
You're from Team Rocket, Cassidy and
Pingers.
The name is Butch. Weren't you listening? I just went through my whole introduction.
Yeah, we know who you are. Cassidy.
And Pingers.
It's not...
Pingers.
It's Butch. It's Team Rocket. That's Cassidy.
And that's
Pingers.
Hey, listen, Short Stack. It's not...
Pingers.
It's Butch. Didn't your mother teach you to remember people's names?
It's Cassidy and...
Pingers.
The name is Butch. Which one's the real one?
It's in there somewhere. Don't panic.
Pingers.
My name's not...
Pingers.
Get a move on, Butch.
It's Butch, you got it? Oh, wait, that's what you said.
Ready to jet?
Pingers.
The name's Butch, not...
Pingers.
Don't you worry, honey. You look much better in stripes than I do, doesn't she?
Pingers.
That does it. I am changing my name.
It's those two from Team Rocket. I should have known.
Cassidy and...
Pingers.
I just told you it's Butch. Weren't you listening to my intro?
Good afternoon, Cassidy and...
Pingers.
The name is Butch.
Quiet.
Good afternoon, Cassidy and...
Pingers.
It's Cassidy and Butch.
Shush. We have to stop them.
Pingers.
The name is Butch. What if we get caught, sir?
Ah, yes, very good question.
Pingers.
Thanks, and the name's Butch, sir.
Is that clear?
Pingers.
That's... Oh, I give up.
Let's do it, Butch.
It's Butch, not... Oh, that's what you said.
Pingers.
Then Cassidy.
It's Butch. The name is Butch. Have you got that?
Can you believe this?
Pingers.
It's